This is an instructional video on how to remove the fog light assembly on a 2012 BMW X5. First, you're going to have to assemble 4 tools. First tool being a Torx 20-bit screwdriver, a Craftsman LED magnetic pen light, a plastic trim removal tool that you can purchase off eBay or Amazon, and a phone that has a reverse camera capability. First, on this BMW X5, the fog light here has been cracked by a stone. In order to remove that, you would have to first remove the vent from the bumper. First, you go up to the silver edge of the vent, pop this off, and go towards the top, pop that off, and go towards each edge, and keep popping off the vent until it's completely removed. After you have removed the vent, you need to place the LED Craftsman pen into the bumper and attach it to the chassis to provide lighting. So now the inside the bumper is well lit. After that, you're going to need to use a reversible camera in order to see behind to the bumper. Once it is set, you can see that you're able to see where the Torx screw bits are located on the assembly. From here, you have to work in reverse order using your Torx bit to remove the Torx screw on one end as well as the other end. So all you need to do is work backwards here. Locate the screw. There you go. Twist it off. And then locate the other screw on this side. There. Twist it off. Once you've done that, you can remove the screws by hand. Then you go reverse order and remove this screw by hand. After this, the fog light assembly is loosened and you can remove the whole assembly. Behind there is a wire harness that holds the bulb. You're going to have to remove the bulb as well. All you gotta do is give it a good turn, and the assembly is removed from the bulb. You can see here that this fog light is cracked. All you need to do now is replace it with another fog light. I'm trying to read the part number here is 63177237 433, which is the correct part number with a new fog lamp. Here's a brand new fog lamp, and all you need to do now is place the fog lamp back into the same spot. I'll show you real quick how it's done. Keep the camera inside so you can see the back of the fog light. Replace the screws, and then make sure you remember to put back the fog light bulb. And once that is completed, all you need to do is pop in the vent back into the bumper. Now you've replaced the broken fog light assembly with a brand new one.